Hello students, today is Sunday, it's 1st of October, and on Friday I have received a picture from my active student, so I decided to record a quick video about this picture. So let's open the picture, and we can see here charts of Euro and British Pound. And my students write me to analyze this picture, to check his analysis. Does it correct and check the charts windows, does it set up correctly. Then he writes me about purple line, that it's trend line, yellow lines are levels from rollbacks and high and lows, and one order was with loss. Please explain why loss. He writes that he bought from double low on 5-minute chart and it didn't work. Okay, let's see this picture. And my student forgot me to say descriptions of these levels, explanation how he understands these levels. So next time please write me an explanation so I could understand how you understand these levels and explain you is it correct or not. Okay, let me see these levels first. Let's take Euro. About chart windows, I think it's a good combination of putting charts, because I can see here 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart and 4-hour chart, and I can understand that he analyzes 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart and trade on 5-minute chart. It's good, and I can see that student is following two currency pairs, Euro and British Pound. I think it's okay. So let's move to Euro. I see here levels, three levels. Here I can see the trend down, roll back, and I think he put this level from this roll back, then trend down, roll back, this roll back, and from this roll back. I think these levels are quite correct, because these are levels for closing the orders at main rollback. So if you see that this is a trend, small rollback, trend, small rollback, trend, small rollback, trend, and this small trend gave us double low. So this is a main trend, double low, and main rollback. So if you buy here, you close your orders. You watch these levels. If they hit this level and you decide to close the order or keep the order, and you pay attention on this level and this as well. So if you can see that on 4-hour chart, this 1-hour chart picture is same here on 4-hour chart, and we can see here a downtrend, double low, and rollback. So we understand that this is a just rollback from this trend, and buying here, closing here, and maybe selling at this point. I can see here a level. This is it was a support level at first time here, and now it is a resistance level from this point. So they hit here. Let me zoom it. And they hit the level right here. They stuck a little bit and they go down. And if we can see here, this a little bit stuck here is this picture at 1-hour chart. Okay, and this level is, I think it's a zone from this point where they go down, and this point. And if you can see here, from this point they gave us a very huge impulsive candle down on 4-hour chart, and here impulsive candle down. So we can understand that somewhere here is a huge level, because two impulsive candles, and then they moved again here and go down lower. And this is a trend line from these tops. It's okay, I think. And what else here on M5? no levels at M5. I think it's the same on M5. If you can see here, trend, roll back, trend, then roll back. They didn't hit this roll back at this point and continue the trend. Okay, let's move to a bridge pound chart, and we can see here many levels at 1 hour chart, 3 levels at 4 hour chart, and order that he made on bridge pound. As I understand, this is a buy order and this is stop loss. It's about 21 pips, not so many, but let me explain the situation right here, why you shouldn't buy here. If you can see that the night they were starting the movement of the market, a slow movement, they hit up, then go down, then go up, and they started drawing expanding triangle here, 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 and here, here, and these lines. And you pay attention that if you see the situation that market is hitting high, then go down, hitting lows, then again reverse, hitting up, here reverse, go down. So just stay out of the market or wait for a signal. And I understand that my student found here a signal for buy at double low. Actually, if you pay attention on this impulsive candle, it says that it will go down. This impulsive candle say that it will continue the trend. It will not reverse because very strong impulse. Someone put a huge amount of uh, money to move the market down, and we can see here candle. Then they stuck. And I think my student think that if they stuck about 5-10 minutes, they would not go down. It's about 50-50. I would not enter this order because we have here impulsive candle. If we don't have here impulsive candle but move quite slowly, I would open my order for buy. But in this case, I would stay out. So that's why you got the stop loss. Next time, if you see this situation, just don't open any orders, or try to open an order on the way of the market. A small order, very small, because if you open here an order, a stop loss is right here, and it would be about 30-40 pips. It's too much. Let's move to 1 hour chart, and we have here a trend line. Oh, sorry, trend line and many levels. Actually, I don't draw these many levels because then you can't understand what is happening on the chart. You just remember that here is a point where they move down. Here is the point when they move down, and if you catch here double low at this point, you pay attention that they will touch these levels and see how they work with that. So if you see the picture here, for example, you see here a picture, you're trading at this time and you see here a picture, so you don't need these levels, you see them on the monitor. If they are hiding from this point right here somewhere, you draw this level, so when the market go up or down, you see the level and you open a higher time frame period and see what is this level means. Here for our chart, I see here one levels, here the level, yes, it's okay because here is a trend, roll back, and they stuck in this corridor, and this corridor is a zone, support level and resistance level. And this level is okay as well because You can see here the trend up, roll back, up, roll back, and they start a huge trend up from this point. So this point is very good if the market go down here and you decide to buy from this point and put here a sell loss. So remember that these levels on 1 hour chart, it's for closing the orders if you catch double low. It's same as here on euro. If you catch here a double low, so you pay attention on this level, at this level, and on this level. Yes, and on 4 hour chart, here we have a trend. This purple line is trend down, I see. It's visible right here. And you can see here 1 hour chart gave us double low right here, one low and second low. I will explain you this double low at my terminal chart. Then here we can see trend down, one low and second low here. If you can see on 1 hour chart, it's one low, second low, roll back, third low. On 4 hour chart, it's just one low or very small double low, and here is a third low. But in general, it's one low and second low. So it's a good point to buy and wait for uptrend at 136. Okay, so I think you understood with this order. Don't forget about impulsive candles. These orders, just remove them and they are visible on the chart. I think it's okay with this picture, and let's move to my chart. Here I left some orders for you. I didn't trade euro because I have no time. I'm trading British pound at middle term trading, and let's see what I had here. If you remember this picture, this 1 hour chart, yeah, and here it is 1 hour chart. So let me tell you what I did here. If you remember at my previous videos, let me just remember what was there. I was buying right here. I had a buy order here. And then I had an order from this point. Let me show you that. Then I was telling about this level from daily chart. If you remember uptrend daily chart, I put here a level, red line, and I think I was closing this order. I had a lock here, I think. Yeah, I had a lock here, then I closed it here, then I moved a stop loss right here somewhere when trend go up, and I was waiting for this level, and it gave us, yeah, here it gave us a profit, and I closed it somewhere here. This order right here from this point, I close at this point. Why? Let me show you that why I close this level. We can see here a level. It is from daily chart, and we don't forget about this level as well in the future. So daily chart here as a level, and why I close here this order, because I can see here a picture that market hit this level right here and very slowly go up. So market didn't want to go up strongly, and then they reversed at this point. It was in the morning. They reversed, and I thought that they would give a rollback. I thought that this is a rollback from this point, and then when I let it zoom to 15 minutes, when I saw that this is a quite strong impulsive down, then roll back and they go down, and here I close the order because on 1 hour chart and on 4 hour chart it looks not so good for holding the order, because this level is quite um, important. And if you can see on 4 hour chart, let's remove these arrows. Where is that? So if you can see that they hit the level and they just trying to hit it 1 2 3 4 5 6 and go down. So they are weak for going up. That's why I close it. About this level, let's delete these levels. About these levels, I was holding it and I close it. Yeah, the double top here I think. Yeah, so here a double top. Why? Okay, let me explain. Here I was closing. From this level I put a stop loss under this rollback. Somewhere here. It's about 15 pips lower. Yeah, about 15-20 pips lower than this level. And this situation just was extremely nervous. If you can see here this level, right, this level. So these were unused British pound news. I don't remember exactly what were the news. I just was waiting with stop loss. I know that this market is preparing for a huge impulse, but I didn't know where they are going to go. So I put my stop profit right here at this point. It was about 300 pips. But the market gave impulse up and I was happy. I was waiting for uptrend and I close here and it gave me 700 pips. Why here? Let me show you. If you remember this level from weekly chart, daily, this level, and if you can see here, impulse up, stuck, and they here they stuck and gave us 1 hour chart double top. Here one top and second top in the morning. And in the morning, yes, right here at this impulsive candle, I close my order and finish with that. I didn't trade this section. Here was a news. I think it was FOMC statement or something like that, federal funds rate. I didn't trade this because it's crazy trading on these news, and I was waiting. I was waiting for rollback at 4 hour chart. So it's trend on 1 hour chart. Oh, sorry, 4 hour chart. Now let's delete these straight. Huh? Yeah, and so this is the trend. This is one top, second top, third top, and they go down for rollback. And here I was buying from 1 hour chart. Here it is. Why I was buying, I will explain now. If we open the picture, we can see here the below, yeah, and let me explain you how to find a good order for buying here. You can see here low rollback, then they stuck and they gave us triangle. Where is that triangle? Here, here, here. Yeah, it looks like a triangle. And then they hit this triangle, they hit this level. Here it is. It's not exactly here, but it can be here, like here. And you can see that they stuck here. They hit, rollback, hit, rollback, hit, rollback. So they draw this diamond. It looks like diamond. If you can see, I will not draw it. We don't have here any diamonds. So it looks like here this, 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 and this. very good pattern diamond, and it's a good signal. So I knew that they are hitting this level here, hit, 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 3 times hitting and roll back. So here I decided to buy. It was about 2 lots. I bought 2 lots and I put these levels. I was paying attention on these rollback levels. These trend roll back, trend roll back, trend roll back, and the same levels as here. But I didn't draw it. I just was watching it on the chart. I see them. So here am I, here, and with this, and here is the second level. The first level is from double low. This is one low, this is second low, not so good low, over double low. Crazy hitting the stops here, 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 and they, after drawing the diamond, they decided to go up. So I bought here 2 lots, and I was waiting for a good rollback, but they didn't give me a good rollback, and they stuck here. You can see impulsive candle, and they stuck higher, lower, higher, higher, lower, higher, lower, no. And I close somewhere here before I go relax. About, it was 50-60 pips, I don't remember. Yeah, 50-60 pips. Close here part of order, and I put a sell order right here. I didn't put stop order. Why here I have a sell order? Because when I opened here an order, I had an order sell order right here at this point. If the market go down from this point, it's about 50 pips, it's risky, but I had a lock right here. If market go down, I open the sell order automatically and go down, and I would sit in the lock. But when I close part of order, I removed one lot from this sell order that was here, and I put from this sell order, moved it right here before I go sleep. And on Friday, why here at plus 2 pips? Because we can see here a very good picture. We have an impulsive candles right here, good impulse, roll back, impulse up, roll back, and we draw a good level right here at this point. Let's delete this. And here I didn't want to put here because I was expecting that they would hit this level with a spike and it'll go up. But I decided to put plus 2 pips. It's about here 70 pips from this low, from this level. And in the morning, yeah, early morning, they decided, yes, if you can see, they hit this level once, then go up, twice up, and on 5-minute chart we can see an expanding triangle again. Here it is. And when I saw this situation at my mobile, I was upset, but it's okay for me. I closed already 60 pips and it was fine. And I didn't trade on Friday because I was out, and you can see Friday was quite crazy. It gave us double low. If you pay attention on this double low, now let's talk about my student double low M5 chart. You can see here, yeah, it's same picture. If you pay attention, this double low is absolutely same as this double low. So this is impulsive candle, right? Why not buying here? Because impulsive candle. If you open M15, you see here double low, right? And we see here one candle, second, third, fourth, 5 candles going down and stuck here at 6th candle, and here on the 6th candle when they hit this level and roll back from it, so not roll back, they bounced from this level. So it's good point to buy and catch about 30-50 pips. So you see the difference. Here is where is that? Here is one impulsive candle, and here are the many candles. So this is a perfect double low at 15-minute chart, and same double low on 5-minute chart, but not so good because of this impulsive candle. So in the Monday I will close these orders and will be in a very small profit with this. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I think I'm okay with this picture, explain it well, and see you next time. Bye.